Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay with us for Visualize Whole Work. An effective brand product design template is a foundational tool that ensures consistency, clarity, and impact across all brand touchpoints, and it must include several essential elements to maintain a cohesive identity while allowing creative flexibility. At its core, the template should begin with a clear articulation of the brand's mission, vision, and values. These set the tone and provide context for all design decisions, ensuring that each product reflects the broader purpose of the brand. The next critical element is a well-defined visual identity system, which includes a logo, with variations for different applications, color palette, with primary and secondary colors, hex/RGB/CMYK codes, typography, hierarchy, font families, and usage rules, and iconography that together establish a visually recognizable and emotionally resonant aesthetic. Additionally, the template must incorporate detailed guidelines for packaging design, covering layout structure, label requirements, materials, dye lines, product imagery, regulatory markings, and sustainability considerations, so that the packaging not only aligns with the brand visually but also fulfills functional and legal requirements. Imagery and photography style should be standardized, specifying mood, lighting, subject matter, and editing techniques to create a unified look across product presentations and promotional content. Another key inclusion is the tone of voice and messaging strategy, which outlines how the brand communicates, whether it's playful, professional, authoritative, or compassionate, and provides example copy for product descriptions, taglines, and user instructions that maintain verbal coherence across media. The template should also offer design principles and layout grids that help ensure all product designs, digital or physical, follow a consistent structure while adapting fluidly to various platforms like websites, mobile apps, print collateral, and point-of-sale materials. Brand usage guidelines must be included to prevent misuse of logos, fonts, colors, or other brand assets and to maintain integrity across internal and external stakeholders. A section dedicated to user experience, UX, and product interface considerations is crucial for digital products, specifying interaction patterns, button styles, spacing, and accessibility standards to ensure intuitive, inclusive experiences. For physical products, ergonomic considerations, product form factors, and tactile elements should be addressed to ensure both functionality and brand expression. The template must also define standards for co-branding or partnerships, outlining how external logos and branding can be integrated without diluting the core identity. Furthermore, it's important to include instructions for incorporating customer feedback and testing results into the iterative design process, reinforcing a customer-first mindset. Measurement and review protocols, such as design audits, performance tracking, and scheduled updates should be part of the template to ensure ongoing relevance and effectiveness. Lastly, the template should function as a living document, regularly updated to reflect shifts in brand strategy, market positioning, technological advancements, and consumer preferences, while being easily accessible to design teams, marketing departments, product managers, and external collaborators. By incorporating these essential elements, a brand product design template becomes more than just a visual guide. It becomes a strategic blueprint that aligns creativity with purpose, ensures consistency without stifling innovation, and helps deliver products that are not only visually compelling but also deeply aligned with the brand's promise, ultimately enhancing customer trust, recognition, and loyalty. Thanks for watching till the end.